So this is fresh plantain from the American farm. My Filipino colleague gave it to me. She called me to come over to her place. Then we went there. She said, "This is for you." I was so speechless. You know what I mean? When you go to the store, you're gonna check out the price. I'm saying thank you very much for gifting me this. I'm gonna make some plantain porridge with beans, fry some, bake some. Really appreciate. So if you wanna get yours, you can go to farmers market near you. Just Google it. Okay. So she'll be taking the rest to that place to sell it. Cooking now. Let me know what you think about this free plantain. Bye.